In the twilight hush of a forgotten coastline, where waves whispered secrets to the sand, an old man walked. His name was Silas, and his life was as quiet as the ebbing tide. One evening, guided by a peculiar luminescence, he stumbled upon a sight that would forever alter his solitary world. Nestled in a shallow saltwater pool was an egg, smooth and ovoid, pulsing with a soft internal light like a captured star. He had never seen anything like it. With gentle, weathered hands, Silas carried the glowing treasure back to his small cliffside cottage. He placed it carefully within his modest fish tank, the water instantly shimmering with its otherworldly glow. The wait was not long. The shell gave way, and from within emerged a creature of impossible design. Small, with fins like spun silk and eyes that held the depth of the ocean itself. It was a beginning, a silent promise exchanged between man and mystery. As days turned into weeks, the creature grew with astonishing speed, its appetite voracious. Silas would spend his hours by the tank, feeding its small fish and marveling at its fluid movements, a bond forming in the quiet observation of this new, vibrant life. The cottage, once spacious enough for one, began to feel small as the creature's size surpassed the limits of its glass home. Silas, a retired engineer with a heart now full, knew he had to do more. He dedicated his savings and his days to a grand project, a private sanctuary, worthy of his magnificent friend. Within the very foundations of his seaside home, he constructed a massive aquarium, a state-of-the-art marvel with walls of reinforced acrylic that looked out directly into the vast blue expanse of the ocean. The day he transferred the now large creature into its new domain was one of shared awe. It explored every corner of the vast enclosure, its iridescent scales catching the light that filtered down from the surface, swimming with a grace that belied its growing power. Their routine settled into a comfortable rhythm. Silas would sit in his favorite chair, separated only by the thick glass, watching the creature glide by. Sometimes it would pause, its intelligent eyes meeting his, and in those moments, a profound, unspoken understanding passed between them. They were two lonely souls who had found solace in each other's company, a man and a monster sharing a silent, secluded world. Years passed, and the creature's growth was relentless, its form becoming truly immense, a living leviathan that began to dwarf even the grand aquarium Silas had built. The once graceful turns became cramped, and a deep, resonant hum of distress began to emanate from the enclosure. The majestic beast would press against the outer sea gate, its gaze fixed on the endless horizon beyond. Silas saw the longing in its eyes, the primal call of the deep that he could no longer deny. His heart ached with a profound sadness, the inevitable conclusion to their shared story. With a heavy hand and a heavier heart, he activated the mechanism that would grant its freedom. The colossal sea gate groaned open, revealing a direct path to the boundless ocean. The majestic monster paused at the threshold, the pull of the open water warring with the bond it had known its whole life. It turned, its massive head angling back for one final look at the old man standing on the other side of the glass. It was a look of acknowledgement, of gratitude, a silent farewell. Then, with a powerful surge of its tail, the creature propelled itself forward, vanishing into the deep blue mystery from whence it came, leaving Silas alone once more, his heart full of love and loss.